Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, we have another amazing shopping episode for today. So I have been getting a lot of requests from you guys that I do contemporary brands. That is why for today's episode, we are going to shop at Kurt Geiger. So please come and join me guys. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to join our growing family by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe. And again guys, I would love to have you and welcome you to our growing and loving family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Revies so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so again, I'm super excited to be sharing this one. If you're not familiar, Kurt Geiger, I believe, is a London-based brand. So we have it here in the Philippines, and I think this is my second or third time that I'm seeing their bags here on their stores located at Greenbelt, Makati. And to be honest, I'm surprised with how it looks. The quality is very good. So let's enjoy and let's just see, and please do comment later what you think of our shopping episode for today. No. I love the silver. Leather? Yeah. Everything unless it's tweed, no?
Oo. May tweed po kami, may velvet, may canvas.
Snags. Snags. May bigger to. Bigger ng ganitong material.
Ano pa?
Mas malaki.
More bigger wala po. Ganun lang po yung mga bigger size na. Tapos yung, kilted.
Kapag no. So, less 68,000. May iba pang color pa.
Ito po, silver na lang po.
Same price.
Opo.
Can I see that one? Parang better itong, can you open this? So, this is also 8,000. This is better. I like this. This is 8,000 yen. It would fit kasi this is big. Leather din yung lining niya. Leather lining?
Opo, yan lang.
Which is better, that one or the silver? Ito na ka. 8,000. Yeah. It's an everyday bag. I like this better, the silver. Ito?
Opo. May ano po yan, may George Best. Wait lang, check ako. Check po natin.
Masip ko.
4-6. Yung markup na mali. This is nice. Super edgy. Very rare.
Hindi po. Tilted po siya, laminated leather. Pero kailangan din po kasi yung mga leather natin nasa ilalagay para hindi siya mag-burst. Any kind of materials po ng leather, kailangan po ilalabas natin para hindi siya mag-burst. Hindi po kasi nagpukas ng pimples.
Prone siya mag-heal kapag walang nakapasok.
Kasi nag-moist po kasi ang mga leather. Kahit anong klaseng leather po yun.
Ano mo? 42? Wow! Camera bag and spaces. Marami ka malalagay. Yeah. Or, may ano pa oh, backpack.
There, how did you love our shopping episode for today? So my recommendation for you guys is I would give Kurt Geiger a go. Like for example, because number one, the price of Kurt Geiger bags, because this is a contemporary brand, it's on the more affordable side, so definitely it would not break back. And number two, if you are looking for alternative bag to Chanel, because as we know, Chanel prices are sky high, then Kurt Geiger would be a good alternative. So they have tweed bags, they have leather bags, they have patent leather bags. And of course, the look of the bag, it's so good. Plus, like what I mentioned, since this is on the more affordable range, you would not be afraid to be carrying this around, so you would not be babying this as much compared to, like for example, you would be purchasing a brand new classic flap that would cost you around $8,000 US and more. So among the selection that I've shown you today, guys, what do you think of Kurt Geiger? Would you be adding one to your collection anytime soon? Please do comment down below among the bag selections, which ones are your favorite. Alright, so before we end our episode for today, let's do comment of the day. I would love to say thank you to April. April, thank you so much for leaving this wonderful comment. Super appreciate this one. And welcome to the family. I will see you on our next vlog. Alright, so again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our growing family by clicking this cute little icon here, so you could easily subscribe and I could welcome you to our growing and loving family. Smash that notification bell so you would be notified every time I publish vlogs. Again, I publish vlog twice a week. Every Wednesdays and Saturdays are for shopping vlogs. Also guys, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Revies so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again, guys, thank you so much for staying with me in this episode. Please stay safe. I will see you in our next episode. Bye!